Good morning children. Today I am going to explain the project work. This is similar for class 3 and 4, only the topic will be different. The chapter is same fraction, only the topic will be different. So for both of them, since both are same, so both I am giving the introduction same, and remaining also will be, you can watch, then you will know which is for class 3 and which is for class 4. Okay, so for class 3 you will explain fraction. Okay, so you will have two fraction. I will give one is small, one is little bit tough one. So both you have to do. Okay, so now first for class 3 fraction, this is the same introduction for class 4 also. So if you listen only, you will know how to do your project also. Okay, so for fraction you have to do explain it in the explained with the activity. So how to do, for that I am telling, first you cut this like this. This is I am explaining with a circle. You can explain with any other figure also. There are if you copy the same, your mark is different, and if you have your own idea, your mark is different. Okay, so the fraction you can explain in different method, no? So this is one of the method I am teaching you, so that you will get any other idea also. So for that, to get idea only I am explaining. So don't copy as it is. If you are not getting any idea, you can do it. But other than that, you can try yourself also to get any other idea. So now I have taken this this like circle, no, two colors I have taken. Okay, you also take it two colors. So like this. Then after that, you cut any one part. No, you have to cut it. Now see here, I have cut like this. Not full, only half part near the center, only that much you will cut. Okay, so that way I have cut. Now you put this one, two together like this. Okay, like this if you do, you can move it like this. One circle on the other like this, you can move it. Fixing on the center, that way you can move. You can move it like this. Okay, this is the way you can go on roundly. You can move it and you can explain the fraction. Okay, now how to explain that I will say now. So see here, for this I have divided into four fraction. So now how I will explain, out 4 equal parts I have divided. You see how I am explaining. Now you see here, this yellow color part, you think of it, this is a shaded part. Okay, when you move it like this, see, this is the yellow color part, this is the shaded part, that way you remember. Okay, so total 4 parts, so that is 4, and it is one selected part, so it is 1 by 4. Okay, so this is how we explain. This is the way we do, no? Shaded part, it is 1 by 4. The total part is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this shaded part is 1, so that we write it in the numerator, 1 by 4. The same way I have explained here, 1 by 4 this is. Now if you move it, okay, now the shaded part is 2. Okay, so it is 2 by 4, and we can write it 1 by 2 also, but for class 3 you have to write 2 by 4. Okay, so when you shade it, this one is 2 by 4. Okay, I have changed, it is 2 by 4. Okay, now if you move on, this is 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. So it is 3 by 4. It is 3 by 4. Now if we take this whole, it is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is whole. Okay, this is the way we use the 4 parts. Okay, now how to explain the 8 parts. Okay, see here, this I have divided into 8 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts. So in this 8 part, this is one part is selected. Okay, that yellow color is one part. So this will be 1 by 8. Okay, I have not written, so you will understand. I think you have to do by yourself. I am not going to do everything. So this will be 1 by 8. And if I move on 2 parts, so this will be 2 by 8. This will be 3 by 8. This will be 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8, and this is whole. Okay, so this is the way you can explain any fraction. Class 3 you can explain any fraction, and also you have to explain all the types of fraction. Okay, so that you can whether you will draw and explain or anything, you have to make video and show. Okay, so this is the way how we have done. This is I explain no, how I cut this paper and everything. That way you can show different way what you used and how you can different shapes you can use. Again, even you can use just folding, no, instead of like this cutting, just folding and showing also you can do. Okay, that way you can get your own idea, and there are many places you can search also in YouTube, and anywhere you can search and you can do by yourself. Now class 4, I am coming to class 4. Class 4 you will explain the equivalent fraction. Okay, class 4 you will explain the equivalent fraction. See, I have made this one 2 circle for that only. Now see here, this is 1 by 4, no, sorry, this is not 1 by 4, 3 by 4, this is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4. Now the same part you have to take it here. See, both are equal. See, this will be equal both, but this is 1 by 4, but here it will be 2 by 8, no, because here 2 part is selected and total number is 8, so it will be 2 by 8. So you can write 1 by 4 equal to 2 by 8. Again, next one, here this is 2 by 4, here it is 2 by 4, and the same thing if you take here 2 by 4, so you will get like this half circle, no, half circle you will get. This is 2 by 4, but here it will be 4 by 8. So 2 by 4 equal to 4 by 8, equivalent fraction. Now next one is 3 by 4. This is 3 by 4. Here if you take, you will get it like this. So these two are equal, but when you write in fraction, this is 3 by 4, but here it will be 6 by 8. So that both will be equal fraction. So 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 8. Again 2 by 4 equal to 4 by 8. Again 3 by 4 equal to 6 by 8. So this is the way you explain the equivalent fraction. So you can have your own interesting ideas. Okay, this is my idea. So you choose your own idea and do equivalent fraction. I think you have got the idea. If you are not understanding, you can, same thing you can find it many places, you can find it. Okay, and you can do it, and if those have done, I will put it in the status so that you can watch also and you can get idea. Again, one more project also I told you to do. So for class 3, how to do, you have to do the Tangram. Tangram is there in your book, explanation, everything is there, and I also explained in the video. You can go through the video and do how to do the Tangram. Otherwise, I will give you the page number. That page number you look and do the Tangram. Any figure, Tangram, you know, no, you have to make the square. You have to cut into 7 pieces. Otherwise, 5 pieces. You will know how to do that one. That is for 6 triangles and one parallelogram. Again, one square. You have to cut into 7 pieces. Then that you have, only have to use those 7 pieces, and you have to make any figure. Okay, so that you have to do. That is one more project for class 3. Again, for class 4, you have to, you will be learning in this geometry lesson. You also will be learning perimeter. Last year also you have learned in class 3 perimeter and area you have learnt already. So the concept of perimeter you are going to use in the photo frame. So that is given in the end of this geometry lesson. The last part of the project, how to do it, is given. You have to take photo, your photo or any of your family members photo, you can take it, but better you take your photos. If you don't have your photo, you can use your anybody else in your home, in your house, no, and that photos. If you don't have any other picture, you can take it, and you have to make a photo frame. Okay, so there you use the concept of perimeter. Okay, that is explained there in the book. If you read itself, you will understand, and you will know how to make the photo frame, no. So that you have to explain the perimeter. You have to measure and tell the perimeter of the photo and the photo frame after making that. Okay, so that will be the very small video only, but only thing making also easy only. I think you can do the perimeter. So I think you have understood, I think, and I made it little bit faster. I don't know whether you understood or not. So for class 3, you have to explain the fraction and you have to do the tangram. And for class 4, you have to explain the equivalent fraction and you have to do the photo frame with the concept of perimeter. Okay, the concept of perimeter should be there in the photo frame. That is the main point. Okay, photo frame is not the main point. Perimeter is the main point. Okay, thank you.